everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina Benaduk and today we're in my kitchen again. I am not going to be cooking any Romanian food if you're wondering what's up, but in 2014 or 2015 I made maybe 4 or 5 candles. I gave a few away and I only have a couple left. I have this one, which was a wine glass I found at Goodwill, and it is really pretty, has a little pattern on it, and I just think it's so pretty. I don't want to waste it, not waste it, but just use it and not have it anymore. And then the second one that I still have left over, now keep in mind it's been 5 years since I've done this one. It has sprinkles on there. They started to disintegrate. I just used glue to glue the sprinkles on there, and then this is what came out. Back then I did buy 10 pounds of soy wax and I still have like a lot left, and I also have the Wicks. I tried to find them and I couldn't, but there's plenty on there on Amazon. And I also have these little things that are supposed to hold the wick in place while the candle is drying off. You don't necessarily have to use these holders. I saw people use pencils to just like wrap it around the pencil and hold it like that, but since I already have this, I will be using it. This time around I did buy some scents to use in the candles, so I got this Island Getaway set. It has 6 scents in there. Let me open it up. It has Caribbean Escape, Barrier Reef, Beautiful Day, Mermaid, which, you know, I've done those mermaid pictures, so I love mermaids, Mountain Meets Ocean, and Honolulu Sun. I'm so excited to use all of these. The reason why I wanted to make candles right now, even though I have so many projects going on, is because I found this set of 3 little jars at Goodwill, and they're so adorable and they match, and I think they're the perfect containers for candles. They were $99 each, so I'm gonna be making myself some candles. I also have other containers. Let me show you. I also have old containers from previous candles. Like this was mold cider. I'm sure somebody gave me this. I don't like cider or like autumn scents and stuff like that. So what I do to clean candle jars, I have this knife designated for candles, and I just like make little holes like in the wax. Or what you can do is put the jar in a pot with boiling water and it will melt, and then you just pour it out. I reuse all the wax from old candles because the smell is already out if you already burned it, and it's wax that you don't have to waste. So I use the wax from this one on my previous candles, but I am going to be playing around with some glitter left over. We'll see if I'm going to do anything with it, and I'll take you with me. So let's go. First thing that I did is put the water to boil, and then I got a glass measuring cup that had wax left over from the first time I made candles, and I put it in there for the wax to melt. Now I have this little light that you plug in from Bath and Body Works that has a place to put those nice smelling cubes in there, so that's been lit many times, so the scent was out of there, and that's just wax that's extra, so I used the knife to take it out and put it in the measuring cup as well. While the water is still on the stovetop and the wax is melting, I plugged in the glue gun so it would warm up and I can glue the wicks on the bottom of the jars. I also got a couple boxes of crayons to give color to my candles. So just carefully take the paper off. And sometimes it comes off nicer than others. But patience. See, there we go. Guess we're gonna be making another red candle. There we go. So you just add whatever color crayon in your candle and you make it whatever color you want. Then you add whatever scents you want. You can mix them together. You can put as little or as much as you want. I put a little bit of glitter in my first candle, and then in the other 3 I just wanted to have warm colors because the glasses were already orange, and that's the vibe that I was going with, where I want to put those ones. And then in the last 2 I don't have a special place for them or an idea. I was just playing around a little bit. You can make a special pattern, if you tilt the jar a little bit, so then that way the wax won't be level, so it won't look like in a line. The wax colors will be diagonally, and I think that's a pretty nifty trick, and it makes it look like you put a little bit more effort. Now with that technique you have to wait a little longer for it to cool off before you can put the jar and tilt it on the other side or keep going. So that is it. That is how you make candles at home. It's only my second time making candles. They do smell so much better than last time because I didn't have special candle scents, so I was using whatever oils and stuff like that I had in the house. Since I have a lot of wax left over, I will be making candles again, and I'm thinking about buying a shape, like I don't care what shape it is, like squares or whatever, but I want to make those little cubes with smells that you put in the light that I showed you earlier. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you follow me on Instagram at Karina Beneduk, you know there's a giveaway going on, and make sure to comment on the post with the 10,000 followers picture. That's the comments that count, because that's the post that I made when I first made that video. It is my first giveaway, so I'm learning a lot about them, but I do want to give back to you guys, and I'm doing this giveaway for a $50 Amazon gift card. So make sure to go follow, subscribe, and comment on that post. Next time I'll see you will be next Tuesday, when I will be announcing the giveaway winner. In the meantime, take care. Mwah.
This is how I feel now.
While the water is boiling, while the water is still on the stovetop, and in 2015, I have a knife that is like my candle knife, that is my candle designated knife. That was hard to say. Things, I have some sparkles, but those plug. I plugged in the glue gun. So you just add whatever color candle, whatever color pencil, whatever color crayon. That's what I was looking for. So I used it, and it will look like it has a pattern.